Welcome back guys, another short tutorial. Today we will discuss how we can convert our latest version DWG to lower version. So let's start. I open my CAD and I saw some videos in YouTube from another YouTubers. They are showing the method to convert DWG like this, to open this converter and using this tool. But I'm going to show you very easy and simple method. So just you need to type OP and here you will see open and save option and save as. So just I will choose in my case I will choose 2007 and I will apply. Okay, so guys, this is very simple method, and which file you will open, it's automatically will save in 2007 version. I hope guys you like this short tutorial and will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. In future I'm trying to upload my new lessons about Revert, Stat Pro, 3ds Max. It will be also will be helpful for you, so get in tune. Thanks so much.